Hey, thanks for stopping by. Do you like pasta salad? I love pasta salad, especially on a hot day. I'm going to show you how I make my favorite pasta salad. It's just so simple. You use whatever veggies that you have on hand. I happen to have some green onions. I'm going to cut all my veggies up while my phone starts ringing. Gotta love spam calls, guys. Real life. Okay. While I'm cutting up my veggies, I am starting to heat up my water. And then we're going to put our pasta in there once it comes to a boil. Now you can use rotini, you can use bow ties, you can use spaghetti, whatever your favorite is. I prefer these because, in all honesty, they're easier to eat. They don't make as big of a mess as what the big long spaghetti noodles do. Truth. Okay. But I have green onions. I have celery. Just dice it up into small bite-sized pieces. Just whatever you happen to have fresh on hand. The only thing for me that is an absolute necessity whenever I make this is a little bit of onion, some carrot, and tomato. Everything else is just a bonus, whatever you like. Okay. I have peppers. These are the bell peppers. I'm using the red and the yellow because, in all honesty, I think they taste better than the green ones. They're sweeter. You may feel differently. I'm not given exact amounts of veggies because, guys, in all honesty, that's up to you. Depends on what ratio of pasta to veggies that you want in your pasta salad. Some people prefer more pasta, some prefer more veggie. I just want it to be pretty, have a pretty color. Okay. Well, let's do carrots before I do tomatoes, guys. Now, you can shred your carrots, and that's actually really, really good. But I'm wanting to get a few in here that are sliced up. Do you guys prefer sliced carrots or shredded carrots whenever you have pasta salad? Give me a comment. Let me know. Do you make them very often? I mean, like I said, they're super simple to make. You guys could also use a mandolin to slice these if you wanted them sliced really thin. That would work too. I have a tomato that I've cut the top off of. Just cut that down into pretty small pieces. Whatever way is easiest for you all to dice them up. Now you could actually take the, well, let me just show you right here on this one. You could actually take the seeds out if you preferred. I know a lot of people can't eat seeds for various reasons, but you could take the seeds out and not have to worry about seeds being in your tomatoes. A lot of people have issues like that this day and time. Okay. Alright, you guys get the gist of it. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up my tomato. And when I get this done, I'm guessing my water should be boiling. Okay, my water has come up to a boil. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to dump our rotini in there. And we're going to cook it according to package directions until it's about al dente. Which means it's done, but it still has a little toughness left to it. Then we're going to drain it, and I'll bring you back after it's drained. Okay. I just drained these noodles. I did run a little bit of cold water over them to rinse off some of the starch. So I'm just going to pour them over into a big bowl. You can use whatever brand of salad dressing that you like. You can even use homemade. But this is 15 ounces. We'll use the majority of it. I like mine saucy. Just pour this on there. Guys, a lot of this will absorb into that warm pasta. So don't think you're going to have pasta sauce, or I should say salad dressing, sitting everywhere. I have Salad Supreme salad seasoning, guys. You can make it without it. It's not the same. And again, I'm very liberal with this seasoning. I like a lot of seasoning. It's probably a couple of tablespoons, maybe a little more. Okay, I'm just going to mix this up. I cook a lot, to be honest with you, with sight and taste. That is not orange enough. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to add more. Some people think I add too much, but they're not here to tell me how to fix it today. So I'm just going to dump my veggies in there. Stir it up. Got all those beautiful, bright, fresh colors in there. Okay, I'm going to get some out in a little bowl. I'm going to yell for a taste tester. And we'll see what his response is going to be. Here's your fork. Okay. Do you just want noodles, or you want some of the veggies too?
Noodles and just carrots.
Noodles and carrots. Okay. Well, you got a tomato. Here's a small carrot. Oh, get the tomato off. You know, it's really hard to pick out just noodles. Picky boy. It's not hot.
I like it a lot.
You've been waiting on that one, haven't you? Okay, guys, there you have it. Just a simple, beautiful pasta salad. Put this in my pretty little bowl. And folks, a lot of people use that for a side dish. I've used that for a main dish for a meal multiple times. Just get 3 or 4 pieces of garlic bread, and oh my goodness, that sounds fantastic to me. But I will leave the ingredients and instructions in the description box. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.